Hello everyone. Today we have Swea with us who is in class plus 2 at Trigya Adventure. So Swea, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good too. So Swea, you have done your 10th from which school?
Manavangal Smart School, Mohali.
That's great. So why do you choose Trigya Adventure?
I chose Trigya because the environment here is so friendly and everyone is so approachable. I wanted an institute jahan pe I know the teachers, right? And here the branding is all about the teachers. It's about the 3 greatest teachers ever, and I love this institute. The thing is, the biggest plus point of this institute is that they have recorded lectures and online classes. Like, I can't ever miss a class. If I do have to go somewhere and if I can't attend it, I always have second way. It's always there. I am never gonna miss out on any classes, and I love it.
That's great. You are in PCM, right? You're preparing for JEE. So how's your experience with the teachers in PCM?
PCM is tough, but it is not that tough when you have these 3 teachers along here with you. But I love it. The teachers simplify everything so well for you. Physics mein Daljit sir, he does it so well. Everything just comes and sits right there in your mind और कभी छोड़ता नहीं है. It's such great concept clarity, and chemistry is also very great. Maths mein sir is so good. He is like a teacher who goes straight to the point.
What's your experience with Rajat sir when it comes to maths?
Maths is usually a very tough subject, but Rajat sir makes it so easy. He knows his own subject so well, and he teaches it to you in such a way that you also get to know it so well. So it is absolutely perfect.
What other things apart from teaching you like at Trigya?
Apart from the teachers, I feel the crowd here, it's very focused and ambitious, and that overall creates an environment for you to be focused and ambitious, and it is lovely. For me, who is usually like a person who studies at the last day, it is good. It's really good. The staff here is also very friendly and approachable, and for me, to be honest, the one thing that I really like about this institute is that I have left tuitions because infra nahi acha hota tha. Like, the lighting wasn't that great or the place was too congested. But over here, the infra is so good, top notch, and I love it. It's so comfortable to be here, it's so comfortable to study. It's like the environment is perfect.